Nothing in this life is permanent, not even your trading losses. But some of us new traders, we keep doing the same thing we are doing, the wrong thing we are doing over and over again. And if you continue doing the wrong thing you are doing over and over again, let me be honest with you, you will still get the same result. The same wrong result you are getting, you still keep losing money. But if you, after losing money, you ask questions, why am I losing this money? What can I do to stop losing money here and there? So, because as we all know, forex market has a high potential of making you millions, billions, and at the same time, it has a high potential of losses. You can lose at the same time. So you have to be meticulous in your approach in the market. So because the market has a high probability of making money, is not, you don't need to take wrong advantage of that. So, and as a new trader, we are so impatient enough. Yes, I must say that we are so impatient that you can see someone who has made over 100% of his investment, his initial capital. All of a sudden, the person is not yet satisfied. The person is not yet satisfied to take home that profit and wait for the next month. The person wants to double that profit again. The person wants to make 1,000,000% in a month, 1,000% in a month. That is not reasonable. It's not reasonable at all. So, if you are doing that, stop it. I mean, stop that if you want to succeed in the forex market. So, but today I want to share with you a popular supply and demand zone that you can use to profit from the forex market. So, thank you, my friend. Thank you for stopping by. And I hope that you will get one or two things in this video I'm sharing with you today. So, stay tuned. As you can see on my chart here, the chart you are seeing here is a USA 100 Nasdaq 4 hours time frame. So I want to share with you the supply and demand zone that you can use to profit from the Nasdaq. Okay, so if you take a clear look at this chart now, market is clearly going up. Market is going bullish. So market is bullish now. So let me open your eyes now. Just follow me. So if you take a look now, market is going up. So what are you expected to do? Since market is bullish, market is buying, you buy. There's no need of selling when market is buying. The market is buying, you join the buy. Okay, you join and buy. So if you take a look here now, market is going up, then you now use your trend line to discover your entry points, your demand zones. Remember, I will show you this demand zone that will make you thousands of pips every month trading Nasdaq. Okay, so market is going up now from this level. Market is going up. Okay, the market retreats here. Just watch what market does this place. Oh my goodness! Just take a look. You see it? See what market does here? Then this is the time for you to enter. It's not selling here. It doesn't make sense to sell from this point. Okay, so then you just return. Then if you enter the market from this place, just take a look at it. Do you know how many pips that you have just secured? Do you know how many pips that you have just bagged? This is just a tree retracement, 1, 2, 3 here. Let's assume that you just take these 3 trades each month. This is just within 10 days. This is a 4 hours time frame. All this will happen within 10 days. Okay. From this point here now, from here to this place of retracement, from this level, can you see it? From here to this place, if we are to calculate how many pips the movement is, let me zoom in. If you take a look at here now, 11,882. Just take a look at it. You see it? Your entry point is here. Your entry point is here. You enter around 11,352. And you exited here. That is, if you look at it closely here now, that is over 500 pips. Man, over 500 pips in one trade. In one trade. Just watch how this thing is going now. Watch the trend, how the trend is going. You see it here. So, market retrace here. This is another touch. This is another touch on this trend line here. So the third touch now, market retrace from this point, and boom, go up again. Can you see it? Okay. Assuming that you missed this one and you jump in this one now. You trade this one, this particular one, trade this one. So let's calculate it. Let's calculate it. From this point now, you enter around 11,600. So, and you exited at this peak where you saw this bearish candle on 4 hours. That is 12,200. That is over 600 pips, man. Hi, Jesus Christ. Over 600 pips. If, assuming that you catch these two trades now, you catch this one and catch this one, and you join them together, that is over 900 pips. So, okay, let's continue. And you also market retrace again, because market is clearly going up. And since market has not broken this trend line here, there's a high likelihood that market will continue to go up unless market break this trend line and go down aggressively. So, but market still respect this trend line. So, a market retrace again, and again you enter the market around 11,842. Already, your trade is already in profit. It's already in profit of more than 300 pips. Already in profit more than 300 pips. Assuming you just take these 3 trades every month and you make over 1,000 something pips, is that not enough? Why do you want to be trading every day? Why are you trading every day? Jumping in and jumping out every day. It doesn't make sense. Just look out for a quality trade like this and take it. And go and rest. Go and do other things that matter to you. So this market here is an uptrend market. So let me take you back to a downtrend market and how this thing work. All this thing you are seeing here is demand zone. Here are demand zones. So let me take you to the supply zones, where you can say, as we know, demand zone is zone where you buy and supply is where you sell. So let's go. Let me take you back to the downtrend move. So this is it. So now we are here. So market started coming back here. Market started going back from this place. So the first touch here. Assuming you trade this thing, assuming you enter, on this first touch. Okay, but it's normally to enter at the third touch and the fourth one. So assuming you enter this first touch here, market runs more than 100 pips before going up again. So you must have breaking even. That is why it's very important to break even. Assuming you enter this trade and your stop loss is 100 pips, when market runs 100 pips in your favor, you break even, so that any retracement you are now in profit. So assuming you didn't enter there, okay, so you wait the market to go down again and retrace before you enter. So then after all this in here, market retrace again to your zone of interest, your supply zones here. So you are now looking out for entry. How do you enter this trade now? We enter trades by going to 1 hour time frame and watch price action around this trend line here, around these supply zones. You watch price actions there, what price is doing around that zone. If there is hesitation of price, if this thing, as this thing is going up now, there is hesitation here, so you know that market is likely to come down. So unlike the other place where market is going up. So from this point now, from here now to this place is more than 300 pips. From here now to here is more than 300 pips. We are not talking of that one. If you have entered this trade, you have made over 100 pips before the market reverses up and comes down again. So that is that. If you can follow this trend, if you can follow the trend is your friend. Don't just be rushing things. Just go to 4 hours time frame and look for, draw your trend line like this and go to one hour to look for entries. Just wait for the market to come to your zones and you make the money, you take your trades. And this one is just an example from Nasdaq USA 100. And if this thing works in any pairs, in any currency, in any, just go to the higher time frame and do your analysis and wait for the markets to come to your zone and you make the full money you have been waiting for. So that is that for now. If you got value from this video, please smash the like button and subscribe for about, and I will be updating you every now and then on how you can progress in your forex journey. Cheers.